Oven is preheated to 325.
All right, so I have my sugar cookie dough, my rolling pin, and my pizza pan. My pizza crust is rolled out onto the circular pizza pan. So again, this is using sugar cookie dough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, bake it for about 11 to 14 minutes, and then I'll let that fully cool. Our sugar cookie, our giant sugar cookie, is out of the oven. We're going to go ahead and let it cool. Once the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla are mixed, we're going to go ahead and fold in the Cool Whip. All right, so we have our topping. We're going to go ahead and start spreading this on our cookie. Here you can start slicing up your fruit. So I've sliced some kiwis. I've already arranged some strawberries around the outer edge. So really the design and look is up to you. Adding the final touches to the pizza. So I just kept cutting and adding, just kind of seeing where the pizza needed to pop. Didn't plan out the design, it just happened like this. All right, there's the fruit pizza.